Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to like someone on Bumble. Liking someone on Bumble is a straightforward process. Go ahead and tap open your Bumble application first and make sure to log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage, simply go ahead and find the profile of a person you are looking forward to like, and then simply swipe towards the right hand side in order to like a profile. To dislike a profile, simply go ahead and swipe left, and that is how you can easily like someone on Bumble. If they also swipe right on you, then it will be a match. So that is how you can easily like someone on Bumble. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.